ito. So, nilagyan ko. I've had the distinct privilege of knowing Kaiser for what feels like lifetime. In fact, it practically has been a lifetime since we met all the way back in preschool. Like, since nursery talaga. Then, from school, field trips, Ragnarok days, CXG days, palengke days, like, namamalengke talaga kami. Kasi yung palengke sa amin, puro computer shop na namin. Kaiser has been a constant in my life and I'm grateful for every moment we've shared. One thing that has always stood out about Kai is his unique approach to life. Napakatamad ko talaga ni Kaiser. At sa katamaran niya, which is in a good way, so sobrang tamad niya, gumagawa siya ng ways na mapadali yung mga bagay-bagay na pinagdadaanan niya.
Yes, true.
And the most effective path forward is one simplicity, of finding joy in the little things and embracing the laid-back approach that defines it.
May twist.
And when it comes to love, well, ang masasabi ko lang kay Kai, legendary nga yung pagkatamarat niya, kaya it extends to the affairs of the heart. Like, you see, he's so relaxed, so content with life as it is. Yung iisipin pa lang niya mag-cheat, tinatamad na siya. So, hindi niya magagawa. So, Jackie, I can assure you na hindi ka lalamakay ni Kai. He's committed to being just as relaxed in love as he is in everything. Now, let's talk about Jackie. I remember the first time na pinakilala ni Kai si Jackie. First impression was parang tahimik lang, mahinhin.
Parang?
But it didn't take long for us to see another side of her. It was on my son's birthday, I think, Andrew's birthday. Yan, iba yung lakas niya uminom. She was shouting, laughing, yes, enjoying the spirits.
Oh my
A bit too
gosh.
much.
Inano niya, pinulga.
At naging okay naman kaming lahat dahil na-feel namin na comfortable si Jackie sa amin kasi napakita niya sa amin yung ganong side sa aming mga kaibigan ni Kai. Then, sabi rin ni ChatGPT magdagdag daw ako ng special moments, so may dagdag din ako. Special moments with Kai are too numerous to count, like sobrang dami. From our first days in school to countless game nights and adventures, every moment with him has been a treasure. One memory that still brings a smile to my face is that time I called their phone number. Phone number every day yun, halos tumatawag ako sa kanila. Kapag pa yung number nila. 645-2455. Araw-araw ako tumatawag sa kanila para lang magtanong ng kung may assignment ba or gano'n. Tapos yung isa pa is yung everyday life na pagpunta namin kina John Paul, which is yung friend namin na nasa Canada, which is di ba yung buhay. And those little quirks that make a friendship special. And Halls, sabi yun si ChatGPT, mag-advise naman daw ako sa advice na lang. My advice to you is simple. Nandito lang kami lagi, mga kaibigan ko, when times get tough. And we've been through it all together and we'll be here for you, both in the future. Isa pa is never go sleep angry. Like, pag nag-amay kayo ni Jackie, huwag kayong matulog na hindi kayo nababas. Alam mo naman ang gagawin. Pwede maglaro or ibang mga bagay. Then, for Jackie, safe lang din kung may gusto mo naman para sa kayo.
Hindi ba talaga to? Ano ba nilalaro?
Galing sa gusto yung minsan yung maintindihan. So, kung may paparating ka sa kanya, pwede mo ipadaan sa amin.
Mga pwede namin malaman.
Basa
ka.
Then, yun, don't hesitate to let your colorful vocabulary shine. It's a testament to your authenticity. Yun yung masasabi ko kay Jackie. Then, again, to both of you, I wish for a marriage that's not just strong, but stronger than Jackie's pagmumula. Then, I don't know. Mas pinaka-nakikita yun. More travels, make wonderful memories, and cherish each other's company throughout your journey together. And again, sa lahat, so let's us raise our glasses once more to Kai and Jackie. Two extraordinary individuals who have found it in each other, not only love, but a perfect match to their unique, beautiful selves. Cheers to the happy couple.
Sige, thank you, Gabe, sa ito for the wonderful message.